Sumo, somito, sumo. Sumo, qué rico está. Sumo, somito, sumo. Oye, dame un vasito ya. Jugo de guayaba, rico y dulce como limonada. Jugo de guayaba, rico y dulce como limonada.
Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Es para saludas? Sí. ¿Te da el código?
So we are on our way. It's my boy Oscar. Say hi. Hi. We're on our way to the smallest volcano in the world. I'll give you more info when we get there.
Sumo, somito, sumo. Sumo, qué rico está. Qué rico. Sumo, somito, sumo. Oye, dame un vasito ya. Jugo de guayaba, rico y dulce como limonada.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm super excited because we are going to go see the smallest volcano in the world. So we took a taxi and Uber. It cost us about 140 pesos, so about $7. And then it takes about 20 minutes outside of Puebla Centro. And then you arrive here at Cuexcomate. This is where the volcano is. So let's go. All right, so the volcano is only 13 meters deep or 43 feet. And the bonus thing is we are going to go check it out because you can go down. So let's go and check it out. So let's go. Wow. Come and check it out. If you are afraid of heights, those stairways you can see through. So something for you to know.
Did you know that the smallest volcano in the world isn't just tiny? It's packed with history, myth, and a surprising secret? Welcome to Cuexcomate, a volcano so small you can walk right inside it. Located in Puebla, Mexico, Cuexcomate stands just 43 feet tall. That's shorter than a 4-story building. But don't let its size fool you. Some say it was born from the mighty eruption of the Popocatépetl in 1664. But here's the twist. Cuexcomate isn't technically a real volcano. It's what geologists call a geyser cone, formed by underground water pressure, not magma. So despite its volcanic look, it never erupted lava. Legends say Cuexcomate was once considered a portal to the underworld. Some even believed it swallowed those who had fallen from grace. But today, it's a tourist attraction and a proof that size isn't everything when it comes to fascinating history.
Alright, so today I showed you the smallest volcano in the world, but that's not over. I'm planning to take you to the tallest volcano in North America. So I'm planning to do the Malinche all the way to the Orizaba. So make sure you stay tuned, you subscribe so you can be notified when I make the next video. Bye bye.